From the moment you walk into Alden North Shore Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center, you're surrounded by Frank Lloyd Wright-inspired decor, world-class amenities, and 5-star service. When you come as a resident, you're able to utilize Alden North Shore's broad spectrum of healthcare and therapy services tailored to your individual needs. Experience the Alden difference. Welcome to Alden North Shore Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center. We have accommodations for 93 residents and specialize in short-term rehabilitation. Our goal is to help individuals recover or improve physical functioning so that they can return home as quickly and safely as possible. We want our residents to focus on their therapy and getting better and leave the rest to us.
The one-on-one care of the therapist downstairs, and he knows exactly what you started with and where you're going to end up at the end of the day, and his personal care was just extraordinary.
As a resident at Alden North Shore, you can be confident you're receiving the best care possible from a team of highly skilled physicians, specialists, and nurses. We have numerous clinical and medical services that are available on site, including laboratory tests, x-rays, and blood tests, so residents don't have to leave the facility during their rehabilitation stay with us.
Alden North Shore offers an atmosphere similar to one you would find in a luxury hotel that aids in our residents' recovery. I think it's important that our residents don't have to worry about anything, but just doing well in their therapy and getting back home.
Whether you require a few days of therapy or weeks of rehabilitation, Alden North Shore provides comprehensive care for individuals with a wide range of orthopedic, cardiac, and neurological needs. In addition to traditional rehabilitation and therapy services, Alden North Shore offers optimal rehabilitation, which is an individualized one-on-one therapy that provides a choice of fast-track rehabilitation or a long-term emphasis on achieving maximum functionality.
What stands out to me is the warm, caring feeling that I have about this place. You almost sense it when you first come here. The nurses are very knowledgeable and caring. It's just a warm, friendly place.
We believe the hotel setting at Alden North Shore is conducive to recovery. This is one of our nurses' stations. Notice the nurses' station is low to the ground to make it easy for residents, many of whom are in wheelchairs recovering from hip or knee surgery, to talk face-to-face with staff at the desk. The ambience at Alden North Shore is part of the Alden difference. The fine dining experience is 5-star, including tables set with white linen, fine china and silver, meals prepared by a professionally trained chef.
When residents walk into our dining room, they're greeted by waitstaff who know them by name and know exactly what they want when dining with us. We offer 4 courses at lunch and dinner. We always have 2 homemade soups, as well as a choice of entree options, and desserts such as apple turnover, tiramisu, and chocolate mousse cannoli. It's just like a 5-star restaurant.
I knew when I got to Alden North Shore that I was going to have an experience that was going to be focused on health and well-being and getting me back to my former self, just recovering and having all the support that I would need to do that.
From fine dining to an old-fashioned ice cream parlor to a popcorn cart and freshly baked cookies, everything to make you feel right at home. And this home includes the newspaper delivered right to your room every day, flat-screen TVs in every resident room, and Wi-Fi internet access throughout the rehabilitation center to help people keep in touch with their families. We even have laptops available for resident use. Just ask to sign one out at the front desk. At Alden North Shore, we have a variety of room options, from private to semi-private accommodations. One of the busiest places at Alden North Shore is the activity room, where residents can enjoy chair yoga, jewelry making, and even Nintendo Wii tournaments. It's the attention to detail that sets Alden North Shore apart. From the convenient valet service and wonderful 5-star amenities to a great staff who pay attention to everything our residents need and more. That truly is the Alden difference.
I think everyone who comes to Alden North Shore experiences the difference. I know people have a choice for their short-term rehab, but I encourage them to come here so we can show them the difference.
From the moment you enter the building, you'll see the Frank Lloyd Wright-inspired front lobby, where you'll be greeted by smiling staff and coffee and cookies are always available. Take a tour of our building. That includes our fine dining room, ice cream parlor, fully equipped therapy rooms, and beautifully appointed resident rooms. Come and experience the difference.
If it wasn't for Alden North Shore, I wouldn't be working out every other day at the fitness center only 4 months after I had both knees replaced.